Hello squirrels, so we are moving on today to look at dividing 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. All right, so our learning objective, learning objective is to divide 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using the short method for division. Okay, so our success criteria, as we have been doing for a little while, I can firstly write the question out using the formal written method, the bus stop. I can calculate how many times the divisor goes into the dividend, the first number of the dividend, so the first number in your bus stop, and then it goes through each of them. We're going to have 4 today because we're doing 4-digit numbers, which are thousands, okay? So I can write the answer above the bus stop, we know that, and then regroup if we need to, okay? And then lastly, obviously, we're repeating that for each digit in the dividend. Okay, let's give it a go. So we are firstly doing 5,296 divided by 4. Okay, so 4's into 5. There is 1 4 in 5, and then there is 1 remainder, 1 left over. So we're going to put it there to make that 12. Okay, that's our regrouped number. Now we need to do how many 4's are in 12, okay? 4, 8, 12. That's 3. So we can put that in there. Next part, how many 4's go into 9 this time? Well, that's 2, because 2 lots of 4 is 8. So that's 2 with 1 left over, which makes 16 for that final column. Okay, how many 4's are in 16? 4, 8, 12, 16. 4. 4 4's are 16, so we can put 4 there. Okay, so our answer is 1,324. Okay, let's move to the next one. So, here we go. We are doing 6,078 divided by 6, or 6 goes on the outside of our bus stop. Okay, so how many 6's firstly go into 6? That's our first number here. Well, obviously, there's just the 1. Next one, how many 6's go into 0? Well, they don't, they can't go in, so it's 0, okay? How many 6's then go into 7? 1. Sorry, don't know why I had to think about that. 1 with 1 left over. Okay, and then last part, how many 6's go into 18? Okay, 6, 12, 18. 3. Easy. All right, so if you are struggling with the multiplication, the times tables knowledge, please make sure you've got a multiplication grid to be working with, okay? That's so important because that is going to really help you to work out how you can do this using your multiplication facts, okay? Cool, let's move on to Teacher Led then. Are you ready to go with me? So let's draw it out in our bus stop. So we're doing 3,560 divided by 5. All right. So how many 5's go into 3? None. That's not possible, is it? So 0 up the top, and then we're going to move that 3 to make 35 there. Okay, so now we're doing how many 5's go into 35? Okay, so let's have a think about that. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I got 7. Did you? Let's write it in. Okay, now we're doing how many 5's go into 6? Well, there's 1 5 in 6, and then there's 1 left over, isn't there? That's our remainder. So we're going to put it there. So that's going to make 10 for our final column. So this is a nice, easy way to end. We're doing how many 5's go into 10? Which is obviously, what is it? 2. Well done. So we can write that in, okay? So our answer is 712. We can literally ignore that 0. 712, okay? Let's do the next one. Write it out with me. So we're doing 2,736 divided by 9. Okay then. So how many 9s go into 2? None. That's not possible, is it? So we're going to move that 2 over to the 27. Okay. Now I've got to see how many 9s go into 27. I wonder if you can remember the trick using your fingers. That could help us work it out. So 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. Ah, there we go. So it's 3. Let's write that in. Now we're doing how many 9s go into 3? That's not going to work, is it? 0. And then we regroup that 3 to our final column. So here we've now got how many 9s go into 36. That's our last part. 9s into 36. Okay, so we had 3 9s was 27. 4 9s was, there we go, 36. So it's 4, okay? 9 goes into 36 4 times. Wonderful. Okay, so as you can see, we're still using the same method. We're still doing everything that we have been doing when we were doing 2 digits, 3 digits. Now we've got 4. Okay, so have a go with this today for me. You have then got your paired work questions to move on to next, and you can find the answers for them on the slides that I have uploaded. Okay, hope you got on okay with the independent worksheet as well. Do what you can in your hour for maths today, and then obviously upload your work later for me to see. Remember to come along to my maths group on Friday at 11 AM if there is anything that you need a little bit of help with or anything that I can do to help you. Okay, so I'll see you soon.